Protein is such an important part of a healthy diet, but we Indians most of the time ignore this fact and go on consuming only carbohydrates. So here I come with a healthy protein rich recipe which is super quick and absolutely delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight and I'm Soumya. Take 1.5 cups of soy chunks. You can also take soy curls or soy granules. Well, some people also call them nutri nuggets or soybeans or soya beans. I wonder why beans, but whatever. Let's start off with washing them. So you just need to wash the soy chunks couple of times and then boil them for 5 minutes. Now generally we don't boil them and only soak in water for few minutes in order to soften them. But remember, we are not just softening the chunks, we are actually cooking them. So that's the reason we have to boil it, because in this recipe, just soaking will not do the job. Now transfer it into a colander and drain the water. Let them cool down first and then squeeze out all the excess water. Make sure we hardly want any water in it. So just press it hard and squeeze the chunks as firmly as possible. Now time to blend all these squeezed chunks. So take them in a blender jar and add green chilies, garlic, a small piece of ginger, asafoetida or hing, and salt. Blend everything together into a fine paste. Remember, you don't want any water while blending. So just the moisture in the chunks is enough to break them down into a paste like this. Now add red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, some cumin seeds, and cilantro or coriander leaves. Also, please add some finely chopped onions. I love the crunch of onions in these kebabs, but today there are some guests at my place who don't eat onions. That's why I haven't added. Now grease your hands and give it a shape of a patty, also known as kababs or tikki. Now grease a pan or a tawa and roast these kebabs from both the sides until golden brown. Now, if you are using a non-stick pan, it's okay. But if you are using a cast iron or an iron tawa like me, make sure to season it properly and then heat it until it's smoking hot. Otherwise, your kebabs will end up sticking to the pan. So just be careful. Now look, our kebabs look beautiful from both the sides. So just take them out on a plate and enjoy these healthy, protein-rich, yummy patties or kebabs or tikki with some green chutney and onions by the side. Thank you for watching Dash of Delight with me, Soumya. Love you all. Bye bye.